Good day po teachers and other government employees. Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates. So ngayon po, i-share ko lang po sa inyo ito pong bago na naman pong post ng GSIS. Ito pong kanilang pong emergency loan na open na po sa 4 po na calamity areas. Wherein pwede po tayo makapag-loan ng 20,000 pesos hanggang 40,000 pesos. So check po natin yung details. So punta po tayo sa kanilang Facebook page. Ito po yung sa Government Service Insurance System Facebook page. So makikita po natin yung kanilang press release regarding po sa GSIS Emergency Loan now open in 4 calamity areas in Metro Manila and Luzon. So ano po itong mga area po ito, no? So the Government Service Insurance System has opened its emergency loan facility in 4 calamity declared areas in Metro Manila and Luzon. So ano po ito? Ito po yung Cavite, Quezon City, Pangasinan, specifically yung Umingan, and Calumpit, Bulacan. So ito pong loans, emergency loans are aims to provide immediate financial relief to members and pensioners affected by severe tropical storm Krising and the enhanced southwest monsoon habagat. So ito pong ang kanila pong emergency loan ay pwede po sa mga eligible members and pensioners in these areas. At meron lang pong availment period kung saan pwede po sila makapag-avail. Sa Umingan, Pangasinan ay hanggang August 23, 2025 for Umingan and Calumpit, Bulacan. And then for October 23 for Cavite naman po and Quezon City. So ang tanong po ng marami ay bakit 4 pa lang po na area yung dinideclare ng GSIS na pwede mag-avail ng emergency loan. So sabi po nila sa ngayon po ay ito po kasi yung list na nakapag-declare na po ng kanilang official declaration. And then GSIS po ay expecting more areas, more covered areas to increase in the coming days. So wag po tayo mag-alala dahil once na dumating na po yung bago pong list, updated list ng mga covered areas na nag-declare na po ng for calamity, mga calamity areas ay sure na po na i-open na po ito ng GSIS. So, qualified members po with existing emergency loans may borrow up to 40,000 pesos while yung first-time borrowers may avail up to 20,000 pesos. And of course, the loan is payable in 3 years with a low 6% annual interest and no processing fee. So, members and pensioners, paano po tayo makaka-apply? Are encouraged to apply through the GSIS Touch Mobile app for faster and more convenient processing. Okay, so kung di ba po tayo nakapag-register, mag-register po tayo sa GSIS app. And pwede rin po tayo mag-apply through any GWAPS kiosk located in GSIS branches, selected government offices, or even the counter. So, yun lang po muna teacher. So, ito po ay ating pong sinishare para lang po sa information ng mga teachers and other government employees and pensioners para po sa mga nasalanta po ng bagyong Krising at ng enhanced habagat. So, kung nagustuhan nyo po itong video ito, don't forget po to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po tayo kung meron po mga latest videos. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!